This Titan is now working with Palantir, and the Titan's name is Babcock. Yes, you heard that correctly. Palantir Technologies signs a partnership with the defense Titan firm Babcock. So first and foremost, Babcock is a British aerospace, defense, and nuclear engineering service company based in London, England. They specialize in managing complex assets and infrastructure through civil contracts. However, its main business is in public bodies like the UK's Ministry of Defence and Network Rail. Furthermore, in this partnership, Palantir is enabling the Babcock International Group to strengthen its defense capabilities through an enterprise agreement announced at the DSEI in London on September 13th. And the DSEI is simply just a conference that connects governments, defense, and security supply chain on a global scale. And this partnership will leverage Palantir AIP, which is the AI-enabled instance of their software that aims to transform how the Babcock workforce captures, integrates, models, and builds those models. And I think this goes without saying, but unlocking the power of this data will enable Babcock to make better informed data-driven decisions, maximize platform availability on customer assets, and understand how to derive even more value from their own data. And Guy Williams, the head of UK Defence and National Security from Palantir, said, and I quote, "We're excited to partner with Babcock as they realize their digital defence ambitions. Together, we are driving towards a new era for the UK's defence enterprise, one that is pioneering, modern, and leverages Palantir AIP. Our partnership with Babcock will ensure that MOD maximize operational output at pace, whilst empowering Babcock's talented workforce to become truly digitally enabled." So to get a little more specific here, this agreement will consolidate data streams into one place, whether that's on supply chains or asset management with toolsets and analytics. And it'll also support areas of Babcock's global defense business across submarines, warships, and army equipment, right through to supply chains, and give a clearer view of their sustainability impact and carbon footprint, which is important to them. The platform will also allow Babcock to coordinate more closely with their customers and improve how they better understand and utilize data, enabling them to present the key parts of their customers' critical defense missions. And welcoming the announcement at the DSEI conference, Babcock's CEO for Land, Tom Newman, said, "As the defense landscape becomes increasingly digital in nature, our data challenges are also growing in complexity and volume. Given the complex defense supply chains we operate in, having a true data picture of that ecosystem is vital in allowing us to make better strategic decisions and align us to our customers' digital defense backbone." Alright, so you can kind of think about it like this. Across complex, multi-domain operating systems, and within the often intricate defense supply chain, this partnership will deliver a data picture that will act as a single source of truth across the entire ecosystem, helping employees make better strategic decisions and align teams to a clear digital backbone. Employees will also be able to leverage Palantir's incredibly cutting-edge artificial intelligence and large language models that, as you can imagine, present a solid range of actions to evaluate and execute accordingly. For example, within the Defense Support Group, also known as DSG, Palantir is helping Babcock deliver a smart data approach within deep engineering expertise to improve fleet availability and real-time identification of issues throughout the life cycle of military equipment, including ships and armored vehicles. And to this point, when it comes to equipment support and maintenance, data insights will be used to better understand how to increase availability across these ships and vehicles for readiness. And when it comes to shipbuilding, cost savings and efficiencies are going to be possible by bringing together disparate data streams to teams who are working on them at any point in the life cycle. In fact, in the Type 31 program, for instance, Palantir's software will enable Babcock to consolidate their data, providing a much clearer view of the ship's digital progress and providing a clean, collaborative, and complete data analysis of the work being done by multiple teams. And this partnership also involves training contracts as well, which will be responsible for insights into training performance, training needs to support strategic decisions, and customer requirements. So by using the right technology and harnessing it for the greatest impact, this will support Babcock as they provide optimal performance and reduce their errors and risks for the British Army as a whole. And believe it or not, this is actually the first partnership Palantir has signed with a firm in the UK's defense industrial base, as Palantir has worked with the UK MOD for over a decade and continues to support Western democracy, including thorough collaboration with other Western militaries, allies, and defense providers. And you know what else is hard to believe? That I have a video right here that I know you're gonna love, where I explain what Palantir is doing in this unexpected location. Thanks again, and I'll catch you next time.